Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Oh, hey there, good looking. As you see, here is all of our Thanksgiving loaves of bread that we made. Now, we're gonna sit there and take our loaves, we're gonna slice them all up, and then we're gonna cube them up. Now, basically, you're gonna want 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. So, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab my cutting board here with my bread knife, the loaf of bread. Like I said, you're just gonna want to slice up the bread. Just as such. We have our slices all sliced up. Now, we're just gonna grab a few, push them over off to the side. Stack these all up, and now we're just gonna slice them down basically 1 inch apart. You do not want to sit there and make small little cubes. You're gonna want at least like 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. So there we go. I'm gonna do the same to the rest of the sliced bread. And for now, I'm just gonna throw my cubed up bread into an empty stock pot. I have our cookie sheets, as you see. Now, off to the oven. The oven's already preheated at 200 degrees, and we're gonna roughly cook these for about 25 minutes. You're gonna wanna sit there, and basically what we're doing is we're dehydrating the stuffing bread. We're drawing all that moisture out, and we're gonna have nice little dried stuffing cubes in the very end, just like what you would buy in that little box that's called stovetop stuffing. Well, when you're making a homestead traditional Thanksgiving stuffing, you don't want small little squares of your Thanksgiving bread. That's why we want 1 inch by 1 inch. Besides that, it's gonna break apart as we're mixing it all up into the stuffing. Hey there, good looking. Well, we dried them stuffing cubes from our homemade Thanksgiving stuffing bread. Now, I put them back into the pan that I put the cubes before they went into the oven. I just wanted to sit there and show you. They do shrink in size. Remember how full this was? Well, this is the same amount, but only after we dried it. So, yeah. See how much it shrunk? Oh, listen to them dried pieces. Oh, yeah. That's what you want. You want them to be dried out. You do not want no moisture inside of your bread cubes. Now, at this point, go ahead, put them in a container until you're ready to use them. And in a few videos down the line, I'm going to be grabbing out my bread cubes here, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to sit there and show you a few different ways that you can make your stuffing. In fact, I think there's like 4 or 5 recipes that I have that I can sit there and show you different ways that we can make this all up for Thanksgiving. Now, I'm doing mine ahead of time just to make my Thanksgiving preparations a heck of a lot easier come the holidays. Okay, I brought out a container that I'm gonna put my dried breadcrumbs in, and I'm gonna go ahead, label the container, put it up on my pantry shelves. That way I know where my stuffing is at all times. So I'm just gonna sit there and put all my stuffing inside this little sealed container. So let's just put now you guys are gonna be surprised at how much stuffing you're gonna get out of this. So I'm gonna go grab my printer. We're gonna print up the nice little label, and off to the pantry this goes.